Sharp 0055 key return and cleaning upon departure. Key return. Regarding key repair. If a key is lost, repair, including the replacement of the key cylinder, is necessary. In case of key loss, the tenant bears the cost of replacement, regardless of the number of years that have passed. Regular cleaning. 1. Contract confirmation. Since matters related to cleaning are often specified in the contract, please confirm in advance. Even if not specified, failure to perform regular cleaning may result in a cleaning fee. 2. Responsibility for cleaning costs. If regular cleaning is neglected, the tenant will bear the cleaning cost for either specific parts or the entire residence. This applies only when cleaning has been neglected. 3. Contents of regular cleaning. Regular cleaning refers to tasks such as the following: removal of trash, sweeping and wiping, cleaning of water areas, removal of grease stains around ventilators and stoves. Manners and obligations. You should recognize that regular cleaning upon departure is a matter of manners, considering the fact of renting the property, obligation to restore to the original state, and duty of care as a good manager. Neglecting cleaning is considered contrary to this. There is a possibility that you may be charged for the costs based on this violation.
Here are the key points following the series of steps in rental real estate. Moving forward, I intend to explain the necessary procedures, daily life information, and relevant laws concerning rental properties, in a way that is easy to understand for foreigners residing in Japan. Since I will also touch upon Japanese domestic laws, if you find this information helpful, please click the like button and the subscribe button. It motivates and encourages me. I look forward to your support.